This is why the Isle of Man TT isn't just a race. It's a legend. Here's how it changed motorcycling forever. Here's how it changed motorcycling forever. The TT isn't for the faint of heart. It's the world's most dangerous race, pushing riders and machines to their limits. Pushing riders and machines to their limits. Legends are made, records are shattered, and history is written on these wild roads. Want to know what makes the Isle of Man TT truly epic? Hit like, drop your thoughts below, and watch the related video for the full story.